Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to create a command which is fetches repository information and presents in an embed. So if some user does /github the repo name, it will give you information about how many stars it has, how many forks it has, and the link of it. So to get started, we need two imports: the HTTP component one and the JSON one. JSON needs to format the JSON, and the chicken one just for the HTTP. Recipe, and then one more thing, you need to update the JDA.basic dependency to 1.0.16, and with this update I've changed the extends command to extend / command, so you don't want to change that for every single one of them. So I'll be back once I've done that. So you also want to go to the command handler here and change this list to / command. And that should fix your issues. Now in JDA 5 I am going to be changing the way this is structured, but I'll show you how that in a microcoding video. So once we've done that, want to create in the command section, you want to create a folder called GitHub. You don't have to, I mean a package, but I'd rather GitHub, and here we'll just write GitHub command. So we've done that. Now we want to extend / command as usual. So extend / command, and you want to create a constructor and import the / command event method. And you want to also create a constructor. Get rid of all this. If only the JDAs to not stop funding this. But unfortunately it isn't. So get rid of this. No. Keep it. I need to put the name, so it'll be GitHub. The description used to get info on about repo, and is guild only. For the purposes of this video, it'll be true. I am thinking about changing the way if I should keep it as a boolean in the constructor. I mean super method, or I should create my own get my command data method which extends the normal command data, and you can add is guild only. If you want it like that, just let me know in the comment section. So we also want to create private static final string repo name _name. So I also add that option get command data. The add option will be a string. So you want to add the repo name as a string, and then once you've done that, want to go into the event, the method, and start creating the command. Once you're in, you want to get the repo name for repo name equals / command event dot get option repo name, and then get as a string. Alright, now we want to create all the get HTTP requests and stuff. So first of all, one second, we want to I'll add this code in the comment section below, but you want to create an HTTP client in order to space the client which receives the information, and you want to create the HTTP get which gets information, and then you add a header, and this is where you execute the HTTP request and then you get the response as a string, and then you get the JSON and the JSON object, and you also want to get the JSON parser, which is from the JSON. What is going on here? Which is from the the JSON dependency, and you want to get import the JSON array. So once you've done that, you'll notice we get quite a few errors. We're just going to surround this all by a try, and then we add, and just in case we catch an error, we'll just add the catch error, and it just throws an IO exception. So add that there. Oh no, just copy that. Get rid of that. There. Now we've dealt with that. If it throws an error, throw a runtime error exception. So now we're going to check if we receive 0 items. Basically means that the repo name is invalid, there is no results for it, it's searched all over. So if that happens, you'll basically just want to say that no repos were found. I'm going to queue that. It says in info true. I'm going to queue it. So you've done that. Now we're going to check if we receive more than one result. So how I go about this is that I create an embed with all the results names, and so the user can just do /github and select one of the names and do it, instead of like having it where it just results in error, because that's not useful. So you want to do /command event dot reply embed, and you do new embed builder, you might need to import the embed builder class. And once you have that, you want to set the title, which will just be generic, multiple results found. And then you want to add description where it will just list the items. So you could so items list insertion. So you want to do, what was that? So you want to do items. What's going on? So you want to create a local variable for that. Once I've got this, for repo names, and you allow just be a new array list. A new string array list. So you new array list, array list as a string. So once you've done that, you want to create a new array list, a new string array list, and then once you've done that, you want to, I've spelled that wrong, repo names. So then you create a for, and a for, you need to get the repo the item object, and you just want to add them, add a string, and then once you have that, once you need to import that. Once you have that, you can set the description and it will just print them out, and then you can just build and queue. And now this is where it gets interesting. So you've checked, now you only have one result, so you get the repo, and now you can do what you want. So you can get the name, you can get the name, description, anything you want. But so I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. So I already got this copied and pasted since I've used the mount bot. So I'm just gonna paste what I have. So I'm simply just getting the repo URL and then getting the date with Shiki and parsing it. So it's gonna ask you just add a cat clause. Okay. And then you want to simply create an embed. So embed builder close new embed builder and close off it. in description. So for the title, you want to have the repo's name. So simply all you have to do is just get the full name. Actually, we don't need to add the name. So this is what I did before. I had 30 fields. So the first field I had the URL, so the repo URL, and then I also had the when it was created. No, false. Could be inline, depends, but I'm just keeping inline. And then you want to get the stars and the watches, and you can also get the license. So I already have this, so you can create it. Also. This is basically the license and the stars and the watches. And now you can add more stuff, but I'm also gonna add the author. Set author. Now this took me a while to create, so I'm just gonna copy and paste this bit. So this is what it should look like, and so this is just show the stars, watches, the license. So this is all I'm gonna have. You can have more if you want. So now we can just reply. So get /command event dot reply embed. Build and then just queue it and just collapse it. So we're basically done with this command. So now we just need to add it to the command handler. So handler dot add new Github command. So that's it with this tutorial. I hope you understood, and I'll be back next week. Peace.